Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut, lecturer Mechanical Department of KK Wagh Polytechnic, Nashik. So dear friend, today we are going to discuss about anti-lock braking system in the vehicle and how it performs its function. So that things we are going to see in this session. So as we know, previously the system was only used in some known vehicle, but now it is going to be compulsory in all vehicles of different variant soon. So as we know, ABS is what? It's a anti-lock braking system. Okay, and it is one of the automobile safety system that allows the wheel to maintain tractive contact with the road surface, and also it prevent the slip and the wheel from completely locking after the application of brakes. Also it minimizes the vehicle stopping distance, and it work beyond a 20 km per hour or more. When the speed is beyond the 25 km per hour, only in that conditions it will work. So from this picture we can easily understand what actually happen with the vehicle which having ABS and which don't have a ABS system. So from that picture we can easily understand it. When the driver applies a brake, so in vehicle without ABS, the wheel get locking up, and when the wheel lock up, the driver of vehicle lose the steering control and the vehicle may begins to skid. Also when the road conditions are slippery, wet, in that conditions also the vehicle more likely to slide or the skid. So this will happen when the vehicle do not having the ABS system. So that's why ABS is designed to help to reduce the risk of collision and to prevent the wheel from completely locking after the application of brakes. From this figure we can easily understand the constructions of ABS system, how the ABS system is designed. So it contains modular unit, master cylinder, control module, brake boosters, wheel sensor, front and rear wheel sensor, then gear pulsar, etc. So all these are the important components of what? ABS system. I hope you all are very well understand what is the concept of ABS and why it is necessary in the vehicle. So in next video we will see the actual working of ABS system, so you can better understand how it is actually work. Okay, so thank you very much for listening the session. Thank you very much.